Okay, that's as good as lighting is gonna get. Whoop. Dang, these brows are huge. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna say a few things before I show you the ingredients, and you click off of this entirely way too fast. 1, I don't know how good this camera quality is. It's okay. 2, before you do this, you're gonna wanna put some Aquaphor on your lips so that they're not as chapped and dried out, because when you put this concoction on your lips and you leave it setting for a little bit, it feels like your lips are crazy chapped, and it kind of hurts a lot. I'm not gonna be able to tell if I have chocolate in my teeth, so just ignore if I do. I found this online. I don't know if it's safe or not. I know that it plumps your lips because it irritates them, and yeah, that's why it plumps your lips, is because it's just an irritant to them. But I'm pretty sure that's what lip plumpers from like Sephora and Ulta and all those places do. I've tried this out. I tried it out, but I think I put way too much, like the ratio. I did like maybe a 1-to-1 ratio. No. Yeah, I'd say about that. And it was completely wrong. I feel like if you do this, you need to do slightly less because it hurts. It really does. It hurts. It's like if you were to eat something super duper spicy and then it was on your lips and it was just burning. So it's gonna burn either way, but I feel like if you put less, it's not gonna burn as much, and it's still gonna give you that like tingling, lip plumping sensation and kind of make your lips a little bit fuller. I don't know. So I'm fixing to show you the ingredients and you're fixing to click out. Here is the main ingredient: cayenne pepper. Ew. You can also use cinnamon oil, and there's some more that they listed, but cayenne pepper and cinnamon oil were the ones that worked the best. So we have cayenne pepper powder. I don't really have a cinnamon oil. I'll try to find the link that I found it at and I'll post it below if I can find it, but if not, whatever. They said to use like a carrot oil, like olive oil, blah blah blah, shea butter, I don't know, just stuff like that. But I used this, the Jason vitamin E oil, and then Aquaphor healing ointment. I haven't tried to mix it together in the Aquaphor, but I've tried to mix it together in the vitamin E. I guess like if you wanted a thicker paste, you could use the Aquaphor. If you wanted like an oil, you could use the vitamin E. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put like, I'd say half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Yeah. Okay, that's half a teaspoon. And then I'm gonna do the tiniest pinch of cayenne pepper, because this stuff goes a really long way. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to take a brush that I have, probably this one, and I'll mix it together. I'm gonna put a little bit more cayenne pepper in there because it's just not, it doesn't look spicy yet. I don't know. A little bit more. I just don't want to add as much as I did last time. My lips were on fire, and I'll post the picture that I got from that, but I don't know. And I feel like it's probably a little dangerous just because like it could literally burn you. I feel like it could burn you. Okay, a little bit more. This is probably how I messed up last time. And just a pinch, like just the tiniest bit. And I'll mix this together and I'll show you the consistency. I kind of want to get it to be like a reddish color. Okay, so that's good. It's like a goldeny, kind of looks like a honey. Okay, now Before I applied that, I applied this like right before I started the video, so it's been on for a little bit now, just to make sure that they're moistened and not gonna be super dry and crack and all that kind of stuff, all that kind of junk. And I'm gonna take some toilet paper and I'm going to wipe it all off. I still have red lip stuff from last time.
Okay, and applied. Oh, I'm not ready for this. Now, it's going to, well, it's not going to stain a lot, but it's going to stain a little bit. But I mean, I tried this last night and it came off, so it'll be fine. Now let's cover it with makeup. Oh, dripping. Which, I was going to put it on the outer corners, but I don't want to put that far down. If you put it on the outer corners, it's kind of like a lip injection effect. It swells it up right here too. Watch this not even work like it did last time because I put like a crap ton. I feel like it will. I'm fixing to add a shoot ton more. Oh my gosh, I look like I don't know how to eat greasy food. I bet you are cracking up about this. Okay. Do not get it in your mouth.
Ugh, gross. It will burn your tongue, just like if you were to put cayenne pepper straight on your tongue. I'm gonna add a little bit more cayenne pepper because I think it's too liquidy. This is so... I'm so dumb. Whenever I posted this on Instagram, I feel like people didn't think like, oh, she's gonna be stupid and use cayenne pepper. Like, how hot is cayenne pepper? Okay, it's slowly dripping down the... I'm gonna wipe that off. This kind of feels like I'm just putting like grease, bacon grease or like chicken grease on my lips. Oh my gosh, I just feel like I need to go thicker. I'm not gonna do anymore because I can already feel it tingling and my goal was to make it to where it doesn't burn, it just tingles. Because yesterday it burned really bad. Ew. Now we wait. I look so funny. If you want, you can like dip your finger into the cayenne pepper sauce. Oh, I don't know. It looks so gross. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Okay, so I'm gonna guess I'll leave it on there for like... I'm gonna say I wanna leave it on there for like 2 minutes, but I don't know if I'll make it. Ooh, it does not feel good. What does this look like? This looks like the grease that comes out of sausage hot dogs at camp or something. I don't know. This hurts. Oh no. Last time I didn't take it and put the powder straight on my lips, so I think it's like burning more. Don't do that. I would just dilute it just a little bit. Maybe let it sit overnight and put like half a teaspoon to like the slightest pinch and mix it up with a toothpick or something and then leave it overnight and then use it and just use like pour it into a cloth and then kind of twist it so that you don't get any actual pepper, ground up pepper on your lips, and just kind of like use the vitamin E oil. My nose burns. This is so, like, I feel like this is kind of dumb. Like, this is probably like on the level of Tide Pod dumb, or on the level of salt and then ice on your arm dumb. Yeah, I don't know. Ugh! I felt like I had to sneeze for so long. It burns so bad. Oh, my tongue burns. Probably fixing to have to wipe it off because it burns so bad. So this is dumb, but also, if you already have cayenne pepper in your house, and like coconut oil, olive oil, aquaphor, or even just like a chapstick, you know, save you some money so you don't have to go to Sephora. Sephora's lip plumping stuff definitely is not this intense. This is like a medical grade lip plumper, so I feel like my nose is literally running. I'm not even kidding. Like, oh, I'm dying. I think I'm gonna wash it off now. Be back. I'm gonna wash it off and I'll come back. Okay, what's up guys? I just got to sit down from washing that stuff off of my lips and I'm dying. My mouth is on fire. So, I don't know if this makes the swelling go down. It probably does. But it hurts, so I have to. I think it definitely worked. Like, especially right here. I think I had more stuff over there. It hurts so bad. I would say don't do it. But if you were, you know, if you're somebody that goes for beauty over pain, then this is for you. I'm really surprised my lips are not blistered up right now. Okay, so after I've done that, I like to take the ice cube and just, you know, bring light to it. By now it should be a bearable burning sensation and you should have some plump looking lips. This is probably not safe. Somebody's probably gonna comment or not comment. Somebody's probably gonna put their input in. Somebody's probably gonna say something, whether they share it with me or not, about how unsafe and not good for your skin this is, which is okay. I think they also said that peppermint oil works, and peppermint oil is also amazing for headaches. They like make them go away immediately. I am very congested now, but beauty's pain. I really do think that worked. So let me know what you think about this and how stupid you think it is. And also, even if you don't do this, this is an amazing chapstick. It works perfect. It's also what you're supposed to use for your tattoos, I think. But it's also amazing for dry lip, chappy lips, whatever it is. But in the end, if you put this on there, it makes it feel amazing. And it doesn't do anything, like it didn't do anything last night to me. Like it wasn't like terrible. And again, it's like cayenne pepper. And here's the mixture. I ended up adding a lot more. I think it only works if you do a lot. I don't know, maybe I wasn't patient enough. But you can even just put this stuff on and then I guess dip your finger in the cayenne pepper and then start dabbing it on there. I guess it'll work either way. I don't know. I think I want to come up with some kind of like mask you can use, like mixing with this and then you put it on there and then you can peel it off. I think that'd be kind of cool. I've always just liked to experiment and then let people know if it works or not, and you know, hope for the best. Hope I don't burn my lips off or peel my skin off on my face. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this is useful or entertaining, or you look at this video and like, dang, Kristen, you are stupid, because same. I know. It was a fun video to make. My lips feel amazing right now. After all the pain, they feel like fresh. They're probably not swollen anymore. See, I really think it like works like right here. I didn't put very much over here, so it's not as fluffy. I literally feel like I just got lip injections. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you have a good day, because I don't know, I'm just keep going on and on and on. See you all later.